If the grid goes down, food becomes the first problem, not bullets, not batteries, calories. And if you're burning energy chasing animals through the forest, you're already losing the survival game. Smart survivors don't hunt all day. They build systems that hunt for them. Today, I'm going to show you a primitive forest trap built from nothing but sticks, cord, and physics. No electricity, no modern gear, just leverage, pressure, and patience. This trap works on a simple principle. Pressure releases energy. An animal walks along a natural path, steps on the platform, the trigger releases, and the snare closes instantly, fast, silent, mechanical. No batteries required. Nature provides the parts, you just assemble the machine. First comes the structure. 3 strong sticks form the frame. They work like the legs of a tripod, stable, balanced, anchored to the ground. This frame holds the tension of the entire system. If the frame is weak, the trap fails. So choose strong hardwood branches, about the thickness of your thumb. Drive them deep into the soil. Now the machine has a skeleton. Next comes the heart of the trap, the trigger system. A small horizontal stick acts as the pressure platform. When an animal steps on it, the platform drops slightly. That tiny movement releases the tension arm above it, and the entire system snaps forward. This is basic mechanical advantage. A small force triggers a much larger one, simple physics, deadly effective. Now place the snare loop. Cordage, wire, or strong natural fiber can work. The loop sits directly in the animal's path. When the trigger releases, the tension arm pulls the snare tight. The faster the release, the faster the capture. That's why trap geometry matters. Angle, tension, balance. Get those right, and the trap does the rest. But building the trap is only half the skill. Placement matters just as much. Animals follow habits, the same narrow trails, the same openings between trees, the same crossings near water. Look for tracks, bent grass, tiny tunnels through the brush. These signs tell you where animals already travel. You don't force the animal into the trap. You place the trap where the animal already wants to go. That's the difference between guessing and hunting with systems. Now think bigger. 1 trap is luck. 2 traps improve your odds. But real survival hunters build trap lines. 5 traps along a trail. 10 traps near water, spread across different paths through the forest. While you work on shelter, the traps are working. While you gather firewood, the traps are working. While you sleep, the traps are still working. Passive food collection, low energy, high return. That's how people survived long before supermarkets existed. 1 trap might catch nothing, but 10 traps become a survival system. Passive hunting, primitive engineering. And when the grid goes dark, skills like this feed people. The blueprint is in your head now. Build it, test it, adapt it, stay off the grid. This is Cal Hunter signing off.